Right, there goes the 1012 East Midlands Railway service to London St Pancras. That is going to be 222132. Right, there goes 17534 on the 1016 East Midlands Railway service to Crewe via Derby and Stoke-on-Trent from Newcastle. Right, departing now to 1017 Northern service to Leeds via Barnsley 195005. Right, we're about to have a freight from Lindsay Oil to Kingsbury. I'm not sure what's on it, it's about to pit out the corner in any second. What was it, 70? 70,809 and I've been bowed by 15870 780 terminating in here at Nottingham from Derby. Right, there goes 17513 on the 1027 East Midlands Railway service to Leicester from Grimsby Town 17513. That emptied out drastically at Nottingham. Right, here comes the 1035 East Midlands Railway service to Grimsby Town via Lincoln Central from Leicester 158806. Not sure why they're bringing it on this platform if that unit over there has got a fault, but okay then. Right, there goes the 1035 service to Grimsby Town 158806. Right, there goes the delayed 1040 East Midlands Railway service to Norwich via Grantham 158858. That's Norwich from Liverpool Lime Street. Right, leaving now is 17417 on the 1046 East Midlands Railway service to Skeg Vegas via Grantham, Skegness, which is full of Skeg Vegas fans. And when I say full, I mean full. It's half term though. Right, there goes 22219 number 1050 East Midlands Railway Service to London St Pancras. Right, there goes 158780 on the 1054 East Midlands Railway Service to Derby. Right, there goes 170273 on the 1058 East Midlands Railway Service to Newark Castle from Crewe. Right here, terminating in off of London St Pancras is going to be Maderian 22210. Right, there goes the 1107 East Midlands Railway Service to Cardiff Central via Derby and Banford New Street 17636. Which is next to 170117.